What if I took you to a casino and I said, you know what? If you win, you're gonna make some money. But if you lose, you still keep your money. That's exactly how life insurance works. Hi, my name is Chris Cobb. I've been in the insurance industry for over 5 years, and I'm excited to give you more information about this topic. So what inspired this topic is a lot of times people ask us, what would make someone qualify or not qualify for life insurance? Why would they disqualify anyone for the first place? And the reason why people may or may not qualify for life insurance is all based on risk. If I took you to the casino and I said, hey, you can play all day, and if you win, you make money, but if you lose, you get to keep your money, you probably would say, Chris, I stay all day. I play as much as I can because there's no risk. Well, what if I gave you the same scenario and said, you go to the casino, and if you win, you don't earn anything. But if you lose, they take what you lost. How long would you stay at that casino? And you probably say, Chris, I wouldn't stay there at all. It's because it's all risk and no reward. This is exactly how insurance companies work. So they make their money from taking on good risk, and they lose money when there's a bad risk. So the common question that we get all the time is, what risk factor into me getting life insurance? There's quite a few things that it could be, but the main things are this. One, your age. Obviously, the younger you are, the more life you have ahead of you. That's why the rates are cheaper when you're younger. That's why it's best to get life insurance when you're 2 weeks old, because you can get more for less and your life expectancy is as high as it'll ever be. Now, on the flip side is this. The older that you are, the more expensive it's gonna be because your life expectancy has transpired some. You have less years, which means they have to pay out sooner. Obviously, the older you are, the more expensive it's gonna be, but the younger you are, the better it's gonna be and the more affordable life insurance is. Now, the second risk is this, the amount. If someone wants like $10,000 or $15,000 in life insurance, that's not gonna be super expensive. It could be relatively affordable as opposed to someone who's getting $1 million or $2 million because that's a higher risk. And the insurance company has plans on paying it, but they're saying if it's a higher risk, we need to charge you more because we're liable for more money. So the more coverage you get, the more expensive it's gonna be. The lower the coverage, the less expensive and more affordable it is for you and your family. Now, the last risk that most people don't know about is health. Yes, health plays a major factor because if you have pre-existing conditions or if you have anything going wrong, it could affect your life expectancy. And please, guys, do not take me as someone who's been insensitive because I've lived through this. My dad actually had kidney failure. So when I got licensed 4 or 5 years ago, he was one of the first people I said, I want to do as much as I can to protect you. Unfortunately, because he had kidney failure, we weren't able to find any carriers that wanted to take on that risk because the life expectancy for him wasn't as long or wasn't as great as it would be for somebody who didn't have any existing condition. And that's how it works. So if you have pre-existing conditions, if you have health factors, if you're taking certain medications, you may qualify, but it's gonna be more expensive. The healthier you are, the younger you are, the better it is because it's less of a risk. So they're more likely to give you more coverage at a better rate because your life expectancy seems to be a little bit higher. That's how it works. I know exactly what you're thinking because I went through it with my dad, thinking that that was super hard information, but in reality, nobody's entitled to life insurance. It's not a basic human right. And they are a business, so they have to make sure that they're able to pay all the claims that they're getting every year. If you look it up right now, over $100 billion was paid last year in life insurance claims. It's because they accept good risk and they know what it takes to make money and make this thing profitable and make sure that you and your families can benefit from it. So you may be somebody watching this and you're thinking, okay, I'm in perfect conditions. I'm young, I'm healthy, I'm ready. Now's the time. You're right. This is the best time because you're gonna get the most that you're gonna ever get because you're young as you ever be and you're healthy as you ever be. But you also could be someone who's wondering, can I qualify? And what do I qualify for? If that's you, it doesn't matter. Book a call with us. We love to chat with you and see what you can get. It doesn't cost anything to try. And even if you're thinking, I'm not ready right now, you can know where you stand so you can start planning and budgeting for it in your future. If you like the content, do me one favor. Please subscribe to the channel and send this video to one family member, just one who you know would benefit from hearing this. Thank you, and I can't wait for the next one.